Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance of your home. In Clearwater's warm and sunny climate, windows are especially important for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and keeping energy costs in check. If your current windows are outdated or underperforming, replacing them with energy-efficient options can make a significant difference. Here are the key signs that it's time to upgrade your windows to energy-efficient alternatives, ensuring your Clearwater home stays cool, comfortable, and stylish. Rising energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows are no longer effective is a sharp increase in your energy costs. Poorly insulated windows allow heat to enter during Clearwater's hot summers, forcing your air conditioning to work overtime. Indicators of energy inefficiency. Drafty windows. If you feel a draft even when the windows are closed, it's a clear sign that they're not sealing properly. Hot or cold spots. Uneven temperatures near windows indicate poor insulation. Excessive HVAC use. Constantly running your air conditioning to maintain a comfortable temperature suggests your windows are contributing to heat gain. Energy-efficient windows, equipped with features like low-E coatings and insulated glass, minimize heat transfer and help lower your cooling costs. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fogging or condensation between the panes of your double or triple pane windows, it's a sign that the seals have failed. This reduces the window's insulating properties, allowing heat and humidity to enter your home. Why this matters? Decreased energy efficiency. Broken seals compromise the thermal barrier, leading to higher energy bills. Obstructed views. Condensation or fogging can make your windows appear cloudy and diminish your view of Clearwater's beautiful outdoors. Potential water damage. Moisture buildup can lead to mold, mildew, and damage to window frames. Replacing failed windows with energy-efficient options ensures your home stays comfortable and free from moisture-related issues. Outdated or single-pane windows. Single-pane windows are often found in older homes and lack the insulation needed for Clearwater's climate. If your home still has single-pane windows, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient options is a wise investment. Benefits of upgrading. Improved insulation. Double or triple pane windows with inert gas fills, like argon or krypton, provide superior insulation. Reduced noise. Multi-pane windows also reduce outdoor noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. UV protection. Modern windows with low-E coatings block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture and flooring from fading. Replacing single-pane windows with energy-efficient alternatives dramatically improves comfort and energy savings. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are difficult to operate or won't stay open are more than just an inconvenience. They can also indicate underlying issues that affect their energy efficiency and safety. Common causes. Warped frames. Humidity and temperature fluctuations in Clearwater can cause frames to warp, affecting their functionality and seal. Worn-out hardware. Broken or corroded components can prevent smooth operation. Air leaks. Poorly functioning windows are often less effective at keeping out drafts and heat. Energy-efficient replacement windows with durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass are designed to withstand Clearwater's coastal conditions and provide smooth operation. Visible damage or wear over time. Exposure to Clearwater's salty air, high humidity, and occasional storms can take a toll on your windows. Cracks, rot, or discoloration are clear signs that it's time for an upgrade. Signs of damage. Cracked or broken glass. Damaged panes reduce energy efficiency and compromise security. Rotting frames. Wooden frames that show signs of rot or peeling paint indicate moisture infiltration. Corrosion. Metal frames may develop rust or corrosion due to salty air. Energy-efficient windows with weather-resistant materials and impact-resistant glass are built to handle Clearwater's coastal climate while maintaining their appearance and performance. Faded furniture or flooring. If you've noticed fading or discoloration in your furniture, carpets, or flooring, your current windows may not be providing adequate UV protection. Exposure to sunlight can cause long-term damage to your interiors. How energy-efficient windows help. UV-blocking glass. Windows with low E coatings significantly reduce UV exposure, protecting your furnishings from fading. Natural light without the heat. Energy-efficient windows allow sunlight to brighten your home while minimizing heat gain. Upgrading to modern windows protects your investment in your home's interior while improving energy efficiency. Declining curb appeal. Windows are a key element of your home's exterior. Outdated or damaged windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and decrease its market value. Why aesthetics matter. Enhanced appearance. New, energy-efficient windows with sleek designs and modern finishes improve your home's overall look. Increased property value. Energy-efficient upgrades are a selling point for potential buyers, offering long-term savings and aesthetic appeal. Custom options. Choose from a variety of frame styles, colors, and finishes to match your home's design. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models enhances both functionality and curb appeal. Conclusion. If you've noticed rising energy bills, condensation, outdated designs, or visible damage, it's time to replace your windows with energy-efficient options. Modern windows offer superior insulation, durability, and style, making them a valuable upgrade for Clearwater homeowners. Contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today to explore energy-efficient solutions tailored to your home's needs. With expert guidance and high-quality installations, you can enjoy a cooler, more comfortable home while saving on energy costs and enhancing your property's value.